activity life cycle. I have taken this image from Android documentation, and this link you can find. So what does it mean? Once the screen open, launch, okay, any screen launch, then it goes through how many phases? This is called activity life cycle. Okay, and mostly it is like this. And especially in mobile device, it is quite common. For example, you have open WhatsApp. Okay, so in the meanwhile you are replying to some message or something, and then you leave that one, and or maybe within the WhatsApp message there is a link, and you click that one. You will be directed to let's suppose to a browser or maybe to email applications. Then you see first WhatsApp was open, then you open a new app, then the WhatsApp become suspended. You see, it goes like this, that the first it is created, then after creation it's quickly start, but the start duration is very short, then it goes to the resume action. Resume is mostly like this, that when you go actually to a new one, otherwise it is running. For example, you open WhatsApp app and you are typing or checking, so it created the activity, and it is started, and then it is in the running state. So let's suppose if you click a link there and you open any other app inside your mobile, then what will happen? This WhatsApp that you have already opened, it will go to resumes to it will go to pause state, and the new one, the new application, it may be let's suppose browser. The browser activity will go through all these steps. It will be created, it will be started, and it will be running. And the previous WhatsApp one will be on pause state. So now again you have different options, that maybe you close the email app and you come back to the WhatsApp app, then the WhatsApp app will be resumed back. Okay, and it will, after resume, it will start become running again. So in this way, you can open many applications, many activities at the same time, and all these activities are going through all these phases or steps, and this is called the life cycle. And maybe at some step you don't want to use WhatsApp anymore, then you can destroy. Okay, and after destroy, that activity will be killed and removed from the memory. So this whole process is called activity life cycle, and it works like this. And why mostly mobiles are multitasking, multi applications can open at the same time. So how the mobile switches from one activity to another activity, or from one app to another app. So then if then how the mobile, and especially the Android operating system, maintaining the status of all the activities. For example, if you leave the WhatsApp app at one specific message open, and you go to other application, then actually the Android operating system not only pause the WhatsApp app, but it store its status also, that at which status you are leaving the WhatsApp app. And when you are coming back, then the WhatsApp app not only become active, but actually it opens with the same state that you have leave there. So all these are the operating system responsibilities to manage all these activities and the states of the activities, and to manage the memory. Okay, because if some applications are a long time in a memory without any usage, then it's using memory, then the operating system will remove from memory. So this process is called activity life cycle. And let me show you through one demo that what to do. Yeah, so in this case, I think we are back to this one, main activity that Java. Okay, so to show you that what are all these different phases, so you see here, this is called callback functions. This one is the main activity class. Okay, one thing more I want to remind you, that Android development and Java, it is fully object-oriented style. Object-oriented style, and object-oriented means that you see there will be a class. The first one is the class, and inside this class are different functions and properties. So you see the first override means that actually this onCreate function is already created in the base class, in the parent class. And you see in Java, extend means inheritance. So this main activity class is inherited from this class, and this uncreate function is created in the parent class, but now we are overriding. Overriding means that we are redefining the same function in this class now. And then here what happens, you see, uncreate, what will happen, super dot uncreate, meaning to say first the parent class function will call, and after that what will happen, you see, set content view. The content view should be what, resources that layout that activity that main. So you see the main activity will be loaded here. Okay, now if I want to see, okay, to see when this main activity loads, okay, then we will create we will generate some log messages. For example, log dot d log dot d. Yeah, now it is working. So take and the message and create, and here we do it. Okay. So when this activity is created, the log message will be written, and we can see here in the log kit. So I want to create override the same process for the start also, the second level. So if I just type here add symbol, so you see here override, okay, then override method, then you see we will see many options, that which you see the parent class has that many functions already. So which one we want to override? We want to override the start one. Then we will get this coding by default. So I can quickly again type log.d, okay, log d, and start. I think we should keep with default, otherwise this is actually the best way to write in this style, and this one should be on start. I just copy and paste from there, okay, and start. Okay, again, if I want to override another one and resume, okay, then again add symbol, override function, okay, then and resume. Let's find and resume. We have to find just resume and post resume. Continue. An activity is no and resume. Yeah, this one. And resume. Okay, so and resume, what we should do again. I'm copying this one quickly and pasting here the same message, but here I'm just changing this one to and resume. Okay, then if I want to create another one and pause, so that symbol override. I hope you understand what I am doing. Override means that there are many built-in functions in the parent class, but some we need in the child class, some we don't need. So what we need, we overriding again. So in this case, on pause and pause. Yeah, this one. And pause, we want to override this, and here I will type this, copy and paste quickly, and this one I will just change to unpause. Okay, next which one I want to is unstop. This is the activity life cycle. So add symbol, override function, which one, unstop. Okay, and then paste the same message, just change this one to unstop. Next function I want to override a function, and that one is destroy. Yeah, this one. Okay, so when the activity destroy, then here I will this destroy. Okay, so save all these things. Oh, this one is added extra, delete this. Yeah, now save and run the application. So this demo to show you how the activity life cycle works. Yeah, run. Okay, now if we open this one, lock it. So maybe just write the tag like you see. Yeah, you see what was the benefit of this tag, that there are many messages, so we cannot go through all the messages. For example, if you remove this one, you see you go through, there are hundreds and thousands of messages. So this is why we give a tag name, that we are only looking for this tag. So like my name, I give the name. So you see, first this screen was created, okay, then started, and now is in the state of resume. Okay, okay, so if I deactivate it, and let's suppose I am opening something else. So you see, if I click this button, okay, you see it from resume, it went to pause, and then went to stop, and then went to destroy. Okay, and if I go again to open, yeah, to open the same activity, you see again what started. After this try, I open the activity again. So now created, started, and resume again. And after that, if I click the back button to stop, next word, it's a bit hang. First, yeah, you see after resume, then became pause, and then stop, and then destroy. Okay, and even you can kill also like this. Okay, just drag it up. You can play with with the different steps, and you can see how the activity life cycle